In this video, we'll describe how to start up RCX-Studio 2020. After the installation of RCX-Studio 2020 and launch for the first time, the startup screen will be displayed. If it is necessary, change the name of project, then click OK. In the following section of this video, we'll introduce 4 ways to launch a target window from the producer window. This is the method to launch online. This method is recommended if you already have an operatable robot. Connect a USB key to a PC that RCX-Studio 2020 has already been installed. If you would like to connect a PC with Ethernet, connect a controller and a PC with an Ethernet cable. Refer the communication setting on a controller. From the initial menu screen of PBX, select System, Communication Setting, then press F1. Confirm the status is online. If it is offline, press F2. The IP address of a PC must be fixed. Refer the Ethernet properties from the adapter setting. Then open the properties of the Internet Protocol version 4. From the IP address setting of the controller, enter the same value in the 3 segments from the left, and enter different value for the 4th segment. From the target tree on the producer window, select Controller, then double-click New Controller. Enter controller name. Select Start in Online Mode, then select Get Information from Controller. Select Ethernet and click Next. Copy all 4 segments of the IP address from controller. Click Next and a completion message will be displayed. Then click Finish. If RCX-Studio 2020 is connected with RS232C, connect a controller and a PC with a serial communication cable. Confirm the communication setting on a controller. From the initial menu screen of PBX, select System, then Communication Setting. Confirm the status is online. If it is offline, press F2. From the target tree on the producer window, select Controller, then double-click New Controller. Enter controller name and select Start in Online Mode, then select Get Information from Controller. Select RS232C, then click Next. In the port number field, the communication port number will be displayed, which was automatically recognized by the PC. Copy values on the line of baud rate and below from a controller. Click Next and a completion message will be displayed, then click Finish. A message connecting will be displayed, and after a while, the target window will appear. The target window will go into online mode. When a user edits and saves data on this target window, the data of controller will be overwritten. At this time, an emulator will be created as a pair for each controller. However, only the communication setting will be saved. There are two ways to launch an emulator in offline mode. Even without robots, in a such situation of before an installation of robots, users can launch a target window. If you know the robot type to select, you can easily edit robot settings offline. From the target tree on the producer window, select Controller, then double-click New Controller. Enter a controller name. Select Start in Offline Mode and select Robot, then click Next. Select the robot type, then click Add. Click Next and a message Creating Data will be displayed. A completion message will be displayed, then click Finish. A message Starting Emulator will be displayed, and after a while, a target window will appear. The target window is in offline mode. At this point, settings of the selected robot will be applied to the emulator. However, optional settings other than basic robot information have not been set yet. When a user edits and saves the data on the target window, the data of emulator will be overwritten. If users could receive all data, users can launch a target window in the following way. Please refer the video Data Transfer to learn how to obtain all data. From the target tree on the producer window, select Controller, then double-click New Controller. Enter controller name. Select Start in Offline Mode and select No Robot, then click Next. A completion message will be displayed, then click Finish. A message Starting Emulator will be displayed, and after a while, the target window will appear. Data of emulator will be displayed on the target window. Nothing has been set yet at this point. From the target window, select Tool, then click Controller Restore. Open all data from the reference of transfer source. Uncheck Skip Robot Specific Parameters, then click OK. A confirmation message will be displayed, then click Yes. After that, a completion message will be displayed, then click OK. The emulator will restart. If an alarm is on, execute an alarm reset. The target window is in offline mode. At this point, settings of all data will be applied on the data of emulator. However, the communication settings information will not be saved. When a user edits and saves the data on this target window, the data of emulator will be overwritten. In this section, we will describe how to launch an existing controller. This method is recommended if the controller is launched for the second time or later. From the target tree on the producer window, select Controller, then double-click the controller name. A message Starting Emulator will be displayed, and after a while, the target window will appear. The target window is in offline mode. Information of the emulator will be displayed. When a user edits and saves the data on this target window, the data of the emulator will be overwritten. That is all for part 2. Please continue to the next part.